What is up guys, this is Karan here. Welcome back to Tech Karan YouTube channel. If you want to mod a custom room, add some tweaks, add some apps and these kind of things, and then repack it and these kind of things, some small things if you want to do, how you can do that in this video, I'm gonna share with you that method. How you can do that, you have to download this tool which is SUR. The name is System Unpack Repack Tool. It will do all things automatically. It will unpack your device custom ROM, it will repack your device custom ROM, and a lot more things which you can do. How you can do that, how to use this tool, and which are the benefits of this tool, of using everything else in this video I'm gonna share with you. Make sure to watch this video till the end. Now let's get started. Okay guys, as I already told you, need to download this tool from the download link given below. This may be around 22 MB only. What you have to do is just extract this file. The file may be in 7-zip file. So if you don't know how to extract 7-zip file, you just need to download this. Let me show you. Wait, you need to download this 7-zip software from Google. You can go and download this easily, maybe around 1 MB. Just download that and then you'll be able to extract this. After extracting, you will get to see these two folders available here. How to use these two folders, let me show you. First of all, what you have to do is, as we have just extracted this kind of thing, it may be around 107 MB. Just click this one. Now click on cut, go back and now click on paste and just paste it to your desktop. Yes, you need to do this because the software will properly work if you use your desktop, and then if it is pasted on desktop, now what you have to do is just double click here. Now click this one and then it will ask for this permissions. Click on yes and now it will show look like this. Now what you have to do is, they will ask you to select a ROM file which you want to mod. So let us check out the ROM which I want to mod. First of all, in my case, I'm gonna mod AICP for my device. So just click on open. It will show me extracting ROMs files. So just wait for the extraction to finish, and then it will ask you some permissions like this. Vendor image detected. If you want to unpack your vendor, click on U. If you want to skip that, click on S. So in my case, I'm gonna choose U, which means I want to unpack my vendor image too. And you can check out these kind of things in project folder. These kind of things are available in project folder. Unpacking the vendor image, unpacking your other kind of things, everything it will do automatically. So just wait for the unpacking and everything to finish. Now I'll come back to you very soon. Okay guys, so after everything is done, it will look like this: ROMs info, DODEX, DM Verity, format, system size, and these kind of things. Now you have this kind of things available here. Let me show you. When I go here, these are the files you get here. You have the log this time, and we have the project folder option available here, where you have the sources in which you have these kind of files which are non-extractable, which you don't need, like the VB meta. We don't need boot DTBO, we don't need these kind of things. We need the meta in folder. We have the system folder which has a build prop. We have this meta in folder where we can go to com, Google, Android, and we have the updater script option available here, which we can edit if we want to. If you don't know how to edit these kind of things, I am not gonna share with you these kind of tutorials because this might be very complicated. You can simply edit this meta inf, which is updater script. You can edit these kind of things if you want to. You have other things. Let me show you. When you go to the system option, this is your system, actually the system where you can add the apps if you want to. You can make any changes whatever, which means we have just extracted our whole system. You can also make changes in vendor, and if you are a developer, just use this tool and do whatever else you want to do for your device custom ROM. This is quite good, quite amazing. Let me show you one more thing. This has these kind of things. We have the ROM options. We can resize the system and we can rebuild the ROM. Let us suppose we want to check out the ROM's options. It has these 5 options available. You can change the ROM's name. We can add the DNS. We can DODEX. We can remove the DM Verity. We can zip align the APKs. Some options are needed, some we don't need. So if we want to change this name, which is AICP, Kingo, user debug, and something like that, just click on one and click on OK. Then we want to rename our ROM, which we want to choose. So just rename it to whatever else else you want to choose. In my case, I'm gonna choose AICP by TechCurrent. So just click on OK, and the name for this ROM will be changed. As you can see, name is now changed for this custom ROM. I'm just doing this for as an example for you, so that you can do that if you want to. Now we can simply click on 6, which is go back. Now what we can do is we can simply rebuild the ROM if you want to. As I already told you, you can go to project option, project folder. You can do whatever else you want to more. It was quite easy. The tutorial was just to show you that how you can use that, how to unpack your device, how to unpack your custom ROM, how to repack your custom ROM, which are the things you can do. You can edit the meta env. You can also choose the build prop customization. Let me show you. When I go to this, when I go to the system, we can edit the build prop also. It's quite easy. You need notepad++. This is the build prop which we have. You can edit the model name from here. You can edit the manufacturer. A lot of things you can do. As I already told you, it has a lot of things to customize. So if you know what you can do, if you know what you are doing, if you have an idea what you're doing, go and do whatever else you want to do. Make sure you do only that things if you have proper knowledge. I'm not responsible for anything happen to your device if you use this kind of tools. Simply click on 3, which is rebuild ROM. After doing all the editing stuff and whatever else, click on 3, and then it will repack it to its original format. Then it will be able to be flashable and everything is done. This is it. This was quite easy to mod a custom ROM. I hope you got to understand, and this was simple and short tutorial about how to mod a custom ROM. So if you got it, make sure to like and share this video. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe me. This was all. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.